Steve, nobody embarrass me out here. Steve, some don't know that, Steve?
Alright, give me a number.
No, man, nobody. You have my number already. The long and short of the story is, say that here. Come, hello, aye, nobody foolishness.
The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
I'm tired of it. I'm tired of this stupid old tired piece of junk. Why you want move, guy? Drive! I'm sick of this old tired piece of junk, you know. Tired of you. Sick and tired of you. Sick and tired of you. Stupid mash up old tired old piece of junk. Tired of you.
Me tired of you too. Tired. That is why I stop. Yes, I may not take you any further. Take yourself. In fact, you need to not only take yourself, you need to take away yourself. Who you take care for? Look for you. Your face stand forward, rank and repugnant and out order. You really calling me old? Well, yes, I'm old. But what about you? You're ancient. Ancient and ungrateful and tired and uncouth, and you're absolutely ugly to boot. And that's the truth. What do you expect? All you ever give me is gas.
Expensive gas.
You treat me like dirt and take me for granted. Make me engine dry and my body get rusty. Make bush and burr and grass and growing on me. Don't touch me. Wait! Look on you. You see any other car look like me? I need attention, man. After all, what you think? Me a whole wife? Talking about wife. You better thank your lucky stars that cars can communicate with humans directly. Otherwise, your wife would have known about that skettle you used to carry around. Yes, the hill-shaped, bleach-out face wig-wearing one who love cock up her crab foot them on my dashboard. Her toenail them look like 10 thick piece of rusty zinc splatter with cheap paint. And her smallest toe, bigger than her big toe. And look here now. She had a serious problem with flatulence. My windscreen couldn't scream me when she started breaking wind. And she used to treat my backseat like a cheap motel room. The things you used to do around there are unspeakable. Now she left you and my backseat has become a wild garden. Lean off of me, you miserable, pathetic, pint-sized pain in the front seat. Move! Wait! You could have begged till you blow me down.
Please, just start one more time. No, I beg you, no, please.
Me now move a hinge further. So the only way you can reach home today is take bus, stop taxi, or walk. And me know you're broke. You're going to have to sleep on the back seat without the company of a visiting skettle. I'm on the Georgia yard right now.
The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Come. Hello. See your daughter here. Back to school time and we need the money. You know long Steve, years now, you know? We met at the asylum. You remember? You remember after the club? 5 years ago? Every single day almost, 2 times for the week, me stand up out to wait for you.
Me?
Yes, sir. You find it funny? I don't find it as a joke. Come try, ask your father for your money. Excuse me? When me better your father? No. Oh, I'm glad the grandson see her. You don't remember me? I don't hope you remember she because you're that. John? All right. Excuse me. Come in. See your daughter here.
Mr. my daughter.
What do you mean? What do you know you? I'm going to stop you upon you now.
Why did you come with my daughter?
No, I'm not joking. I'm back to school.
My daughter.
Steve, nobody embarrass me out here. Steve, some don't know that, Steve?
Alright, give me a number.
No, man, nobody. You have my number already. The long and short of the story is, see your daughter here. Come, hello, aye, nobody foolishness. Not easy.
Marjorie.
Okay, Marjorie. Well, this gentleman impregnated me 6 years ago, and this is his daughter. But anyway, see your daughter here. Watch it. No, do that, you know. No, do that, you know.
Daddy worked hard last week. My money with
You don't remember? You don't remember?
School I went in month since 6th of September.
So what am I for do now?
I don't have any money.
No, you sure?
Very sure.
You sure?
Very sure.
How sure are you?
Well sure.
No, man, you have the wrong person, man. I don't mean, man.
The point is, him supposed to remember me.
You should not be taking him for somebody.
No, miss.
I am a married man.
So what never do it? You never tell me that they say you're married. Come now, man, about the foolishness, man. See your father there. So where you walking from, Mr. For? You know how long I stand up here, sir, wait for you?
and I don't have a father.
Sir, please. No, but wait no man, why you question her now for after 6 years? I know you question her. So what me I gonna do now?
Me have one daughter.
So what me I gonna do now? She need money. So when you were with me, you never remember nothing, you never remember, so she never come and play?
I not even remember. I don't even know your face.
Hold on, miss, hold on, for you. You I'm talking to.
What's our last name?
No, that's not the point either. Not talking to you now. You don't know my face?
No, I don't remember you.
Listen to... What is this?
Make your mother get the facts right and be careful what you're doing. Yeah?
Hold on.
I don't know you, baby.
Come here. I look at this, I never admitted him ever like this.
Let me show you something. Hey, watch it, man. Hey, fancy. You don't know what's out of the secret.
Oh, Jesus Christ, oh God!
The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the total fancy cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize when I watch the video, but not so much comment.
Yes.
So they need to comment
Yes.
and share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright?
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy cat.